Morning students. Now exercise 1.2 example sum. First question, add minus 6 by 11, 8 by 11, minus 12 by 11. Solution write it the question. Minus 6 by 11, comma, instead of you put the symbol is addition. Why that question? Addition, add the number, so put in the addition symbol. Minus 6 by 11 plus 8 by 11 plus minus 12 by 11. So near symbol you put use in the bracket is equal to 3 number also same number. Write in one time. First number is minus 6 plus 8 plus into minus 12. So minus 6 minus 12 same symbol, add the number minus 18. Minus 18. Next number is, what is the number? Plus 8. 2 number also unlike sign, so put in the greater number symbol first. Minus 18, subtract the number first, subtract the number. 18 minus 8 is 10. 18 minus 8 is 10. Next you put in the symbol 18 is greater number minus, so minus 10 by 11. Next question, add minus 5 by 9, comma, minus 4 by 3, comma, 7 by 12. So LCM of 9, 3, 12 is 36. How that? Divide the number. 3 3s are 9. 3 number also possible third table. You select in first third table. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. You again take the table is 2 table. 3 is not possible. Straightly 3 right. 1 not possible. 1 right. 2 2s are 4. Next 1 3 is 3. 1 is not possible, write in 1. 2 also not possible, write in 2. Next select the number is 2. 1 not possible, 1 2 is 2. Now LCM, multiple these factors. 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. 1 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36. Now LCM of this number is 36. 9, 3, 12 equal to 36. First number minus 5 by 9. Question is add. So comma instead of put the symbol is plus. Minus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 2. So all the one change the number. 6 cut and write in 7. That question book from print mistake there. Okay, yeah. Now 5, 9 to which number multiply and get the answer is 36? 4. 9 4s are 36. Minus 5 by 9 write into 4 by 4. Next symbol is plus. Start the bracket minus 4 by 3. 3 to which number you get it? The answer is 36, 12. So here you tell it numerator also 12. 12 by 12 plus 7 by 12 into 3 12s are 36. 7 3s are 21. 4 5s are 20 minus 20 by 36. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 12s are 48. 3 12s are 36. Here minus symbol, put in the minus symbol and use in the bracket. Near symbol should not come, so put in the bracket, otherwise confuse. Plus 3 7 3s are 21 by 36. Minus 20 plus into minus 48 plus 21 divided by 36. 2 number also same number, add the number. 20 48 equal to minus 68. Next number is plus 21. So now 2 also unlike symbol, you subtract the number. 68 minus 21 is 47. Greater number is 68. 68 nearby symbol is minus. Minus 47 divided by 36. Next subtraction sum. There subtract 9 by 17 from 12 minus 12 by 17. Solution write in. Which number write in first? From next. Minus 12 by 17. Subtraction for use the symbol is minus 9 by 17. Which number write in first you understand. From next is minus 12 by 17. Subtract minus 9 by 17. 2 number also same number, write in one time. First number is, what is the number? Minus 12. Second number is, here symbol is minus, here symbol is plus. Plus into minus, minus 9. Minus 12 minus 9 divided by 17. Minus 21 by 17. Next example sum. Subtract minus 2 6 by 11 from minus 4 5 by 22. Which number write in first from next? Solution write in, you write in minus 4 5 by 22. Question is subtraction, put in the minus symbol. Next you start the bracket. Minus 2 6 by 11. Given the fraction is mixed fraction, change into the improper fraction. 4 22s are 88. 88 plus 5 93 divided by 22 minus 2 11s are 22. 22 plus 6 28 by 11 minus symbol. Minus 93 by 22 minus into minus plus 28 divided by 11. Now take the LCM. Why here plus symbol? Two number also different. Take the LCM. LCM easy method. First that 11th table to come in 22 or not check. Okay, 11 2s are 22 is possible to come. So numerator and denominator you multiple by 2. Now minus 93 right. Next symbol is plus. 28 into 2 equal to 56 divided by 22. Minus 93 56 equal to, first subtract the number. Two number also unlike symbol, so you must subtract the number 37. 93 is the greater number, nearby symbol is minus. Minus 37 divided by 22 is equal to, you divide the number 37 22. 122 is 22, minus and right means 15. 115 by 22. First write in quotient 1. Remainder is 15 by 22 minus 115 by 22. Next sum, evaluate. Minus 5 by 8 into 7 by 3. Multiple the number. In between symbol is multiple. Then before sum, addition, subtraction. Different means take the LCM. This sum, into symbol, different number should not take the LCM. Why? In between symbol is multiplication, so directly do the multiplication. Minus 5 into 7, 8 into 3, directly multiple. 5 sevens are 35, 8 3s are 24, minus symbol, write it enough. Next, 6 minus 6 by minus 11 into minus 4. So minus into minus plus, so they are not put the symbol, so correct plus symbol. 6 by 11 into minus 4 is the whole number, change into the rational number divided by 1. Now directly multiple. 6 into minus 4, 11 into 1, 6 4s are 24, 111 is 11, minus symbol there. So multiplication sums. Next, divide 8 7 by minus 8 by minus 3 by 4. 7 by minus 8 divided by for use the symbol is divided, minus 3 by 4. Minus 7 by 8, this minus symbol, the numerator for right. Division change into the multiplication. Division change into the multiplication. So minus 3 by 4, how do they write them? Minus 4 by 3. Division change into the multiplication. Next rational number, write in the reciprocal. So minus 7 by 4. Okay. Next, which number is possible to strike out? Strike out the number. 1 4 is 4. Here 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Pencil to strike out the number. So 1 7 is 7. 2 3s are 6. Minus into minus plus. So answer is 7 by 6. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Multiplication, division is very easy. Okay. Multiplication directly multiple. Division change into the reciprocal, then you do the multiplication. Addition, subtraction doing time, must denominator number is same or not check. Same means directly add the number and get it the answer. Suppose different means must want to take the LCM. This only different there. Next, word problem. The sum of two rational number is 4 by 5. One number is 2 by 5. Then find the number, other number. So the other number be x. Two, sum of two rational number. Two number add. Some meaning is add. Some meaning underline there. You write in add. Okay. Though add the number, you get it, the answer is 4 by 5. One number is 2 by 5. Two number, first number, second number. One number is 2 by 5. Another number is don't know, so you take in x. So 2 by 15 plus x is equal to, get it, the answer is 4 by 5. Here write in 4 by 5. This step understand, no? 2 by 15 is one number. Two rational number for one rational number is here. Other rational number is don't know, for what that take x. Some meaning is add the number plus get the answer is 4 by 5. X equal to 4 by 5, 4 by 5 right. Plus 2 by 5 equal 15 equal to, after go that minus 2 by 15. Now very easy method is, what is the method? Fifth table to come in 15. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So this first fraction for you multiple by 3 into 3. So 3 4s are 12. So 15 already, 215 from you write in 115 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10 by 15. These two number also possible in fifth table. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3. Next, the product of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. If one number is 3 by 7, then find the other number. The product meaning is a multiplication. Product meaning is a multiplication. Two number multiple and get the answer is minus 2 by 3. That two number from one number is there given in 3 by 7. Find the other number. So here multiple the number. First number is, question from right, 3 by 7. 3 by 7 into x equal to, you get it, the answer is minus 2 by 3. Division equal to, after go means they are doing the division into symbol. X equal to, right there, minus 2 by 3. That into symbol equal to, after divide into, change into the division. 3 by 7. Okay, next step, x equal to minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 3. Change and write in the reciprocal. So get it, the answer. Any number also can't do in the division. So directly multiple. 7 2s are 14, minus symbol minus 14, 3 3s are 9. Now answer is minus 14 by 9. These steps you understand means do it work. Otherwise you write it in your book from write this all the one. Book for write. Okay, now x equal to division, multiplication change into the division. First understand x write equal to straight equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. This into change into the division. Next number is 3 by 7. Next in division change into the multiplication. 3 by 7 change and write in 7 by 3. Directly multiple and get it the answer. Next question. The one roll of ribbon is 18 3 by 4 meter long. Sangari has 4 full rolls and 1/3 of another roll. How many meters of ribbon does Sangari have in total? So solution write in total number of meters ribbon Sangari has in total. Total number how much there? So 18 3 by 4. First one roll for ribbon is how much there? 18 3 by 4 meter into 4 1 by 3. 4 meaning is 4 right. First number 4. 1/3 meaning is 1 by 3. 4 1 by 3. So the sum is want to do in the multiplication. So mixed fraction change into the improper fraction. Directly multiply and get it the answer equal to 325 divided by 4. This number divide the number 325 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Next number is, what is the number? 5. 1 4 is 4. So 81 1 by 4 meter is total number of the full length of the ribbon there. Next sum, find the rational numbers that should be added and subtracted so that they will make the sum of these numbers 3 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 8 to the nearest whole number. 3 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 8. First do the work first. So all the one is what is the number? A different number. So 2 table to come in 8 are not 2 4s are 8. So here multiple by 4 into 4. Here 4 2s are 8. This number 2 you want multiple by 2. So 4 7s are 28. 2 7s are 14, 19. 1 8 only right enough. All the one add and get the answer equal to 61 divided by 8. This number divide and get the answer equal to 7 5 by 8. This one lies between which whole number? 7 and 8. 7 whole number is there, come or not? See here 1 minute. 61 divided by 8. 7 8s are 56. Minus and right means 5. 7 next number is what is the number? 8. Between number, this number is lies between 7 and 8. 7 and 8 first step. Next, if we subtracted 5 by 8 from 7 5 by 8, it comes 7. 5 by 8, 5 by 8 cancel. So remaining is what is the number? 7. We added 3 by 8 to 7 by 8, 7 5 by 8. It becomes 7 plus 5 by 3 plus, see here, 3 by 8. 3 which number? First to see that we subtract 5 by 8 from 7 by 5 by 8, it becomes 7. How to the here come? 5 by 8 here. Here also 5 by 8. 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 is answer is 0. You get answer is 7. We added 3 by 8. Which number want to add there? 3 by 8. 3 by 8 to 7 5 by 8. So 7 whole number separately write. This 3 by 8 fraction number only add. 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Same number write in one time. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 8 equal to 1. Final answer is what is the answer? 1. So this 7 plus 1 equal to, get the answer is 8. A student, instead of multiplying a number by 8 by 9, by mistake divided by 8 by 9. If the difference between the correct answer and the answer got by him is 34, then find the number. This is the question. Which number is you don't know, you take in x. Which number is don't know, you take in x. The students had to find 8 by 9 for 8x by 9. But he found for x divided by given, no, so x by 8 by 9, that 9x by 8. How do they come 9x? X divided by, so divided by 8 by 9. X divided by 8 by 9. X division change into the multiplication 9 by 8. So 9 into x, 9x. 1 into 8 is 8. So 9x divided by 8. Now, these two number also do the subtraction. 9x, 8x, here 9x. So, 9x only big number, write in first 9x. 9x by 8 minus 8x by 9 equal to 34 is given the question. So, do in the cross multiplication. Two numbers also different. Do in the cross multiplication. 9 8s are 72 first work. Next this 9 and this 9. 9 9s are 81. Here x is there. You write in x. Minus symbol. 8 8s are 64x. 81x minus 64x equal to 17x divided by 72 is equal to 34. 17x equal to 17x equal to 34 into 72. These two number do in the cross multiplication. 17x equal to 34 into 72. Therefore, x equal to, now write in 17 here. 34 into 72 divided by 17. All the one multiple and get the answer equal to, what is the answer? 144. Okay. Next, simplify. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 5 minus 5 by 3 divided 30 by 12 plus minus 12 divided by 9 into minus 27 divided by 16. Solution write and start the work. First work is, what is the work? As it is question write. Okay, next step, 4 by 3 minus into minus plus plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Next symbol is plus minus 5 by 3. This division change into the multiplication. Next this number write in the reciprocal. So 12 by 30. 12 by 30 second work. Next plus symbol minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 divided by 16. No changes this one for. Next step is here equal to correctly want write. Now two number also different. Take the LCM, do in the cross multiplication. These two also different. Take in the cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 8 by 6 plus 9 by 6. Now here multiple for easy method. 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. 6 5s are 30. 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. So 2 by 3. This 2 also cancel. Minus 2 by 3 is come the answer. Plus here you divide the number. 1 9 is 9. 3 9s are 27. Here 3 4s are 12. Fourth table. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9. 1 4 is 4. 9 by 4 minus into minus plus. Now final answer here. What is the answer? This here also strike out that 1 2 is 2. 2 3s are 6. So 17 by 6 plus of minus 2 by 3 plus of 9 by 4. Okay, first you do in this 2 1 for. So the 2 table to cancel. See here 17 by 6 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 9 by 4. Get it the answer. Here all the one is different. Take the LCM is what is the answer? 12. So how many 2s are 12? 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. So this number 2 you want to multiple by 2. 3 4s are 12. So up number from you multiple by 4. Okay, here 4 3s are 12. 112 you write 17 into 2 plus of minus 2 into 4 plus 9 into 3. 17 2s are 34 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 8 right in the bracket. 9 3s are 27 divided by 12. Now 34 plus into minus minus 8 plus 27 divided by 12. These two number add. Come the answer you minus in 8. Answer is 53 divided by 12. We start the exercise 1.2. Filling the blank sum. The value of minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15 equal to. Take the LCM and do in the division. Get it the answer is 1 by 20. Already this sums and all I say and give one time you see there. Minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15. So LCM is what is the one? 60. 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Here multiple by minus 25. Minus 25 plus here multiple by 4. 7 4s are 28. Now minus and right means answer is 3 by 60. 3 by 60. 1 3 is 3. 23 is 60. Answer is 1 by 20. Next sum. The value of minus 3 by 6 into 18 by minus 9 is dash 1. How to there come the answer? 3 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. 6 6 cancel. Remaining answer is what is the answer? 1. The value of minus 3 by 6 into 18 by minus 9 is answer is 1. Minus into minus plus. The value of 15 minus 15 by 23 divided 30 by minus 46 is 1. So change into the multiple reciprocal, cancel and write means all the number is strike out. Come the answer is 1. Next the rational number 0 does not have reciprocal. Which number for not have reciprocal? 0 only not have the reciprocal. 0 by 1 is 1 0. 0 how do they write in rational form? 0 by 1 1 This one reciprocal is, what is that one? 1 by 0. You see, this one not defined. So 0 does not have reciprocal. The multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. True or false? All rational numbers have an additive inverse. True. All the number for having the additive inverse, it is true. The rational numbers that are equal to their additive inverse are 0 and minus 1. Definitely not possible. False. All rational numbers having additive inverse for one additive inverse is minus 1. Minus change into the plus, plus change into the minus. Already you know. No. Next, the additive inverse of minus 17 by 11 by minus 17 is 11 by 17. So 11 by 17. It is false. Why? Plus symbol change into the minus. Here minus into minus is, what is the one? Plus only. Already given in the plus value. Suppose here minus symbol come in, this is true. That not give the minus symbol for this sum is false. The rational number which is its own reciprocal is minus 1. So minus 1 own reciprocal is, what is that one? Same minus 1 only, true this one. The multiplicative inverse exists for all rational numbers. False. No. So true or false for this and all already I take. So new syllabus from 1.2 for this is given in filling the blanks, true or false. Book have members, write it your book the answer. Not have members, write it the answer in your note. Okay, filling the blanks, I send the PDF. Next one, I go to the sum. Sums I say and give. Full video watch only can able to do in your homework also. Whatever I am teaching, that sum I now give the homework. Okay, first question. Find the sum. Find the sum. 7 by 5 plus 3 by third one, find the sum. 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Solution right. 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Denominator 2 numbers also same number. So write in one time. Should not take the LCM. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3's answer is 10. 10 by 5. 1 5 is 5. 2 5's are 10. Now answer equal to 2. Write it the answer. Answer is 2. Okay, understand this sum. Next question, 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. First sum also addition sum, second sum also addition sum. What is the difference here? Denominator is same number, here denominator is different number. In between symbol is plus minus, there means must want to take the LCM. Different denominator. So 5 7s are 35. Do in the multiplication. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 5 5s are 25. So 49 plus 25 divided by 35. Two number add and get the answer is 74 divided by 35. Answer is 74 divided by 35. First Roman letter now understand, no? Next the same Roman letter from third sum. 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15. 6 by 5 plus of minus 14 by 15. These two number also different. Take the LCM, then before watch fifth table to come in 15. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So this number 2 you multiple by 3. Numerator and denominator you multiple by 3. Okay. So 6 into 3. 5 3s are 15. This 215 from 115 only write. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus 14. 6 into 3 minus 14 divided by 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 14 divided by 15. 18 minus 14 equal to 4 divided by 15. Answer is 4 by 15. Next question. Minus 4 2 by 3 plus 7 5 by 12. Minus 4 2 by 3 plus 7 5 by 12. Mixed fraction change into the improper fraction. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 equal to 14 by 3. 7 12s are 84. 84 plus 5 is 89 divided by 12. Now two number also different number. So take the LCM, check the table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So here multiple by 4. 14 multiple by 4. 14 into 4 plus 89 divided by 12. 14 4s are 56 minus 56 plus 89 divided by 12. These two number add and get the answer equal to 33 divided by 12. So these two number also possible in third table. So use the third table and use the third table. 11 3s are 33, 3 4s are 12. Strike out the number. Pencil use and strike out the number. 11 by 4. So the give 11 by 4 up to right means also correct. So you change it the improper fraction also 2 3 by 4. 4 2s are 8 first right. 8 after 9 10 11 3. 3 by 4 only answer. Next fourth one subtraction. Minus 8, subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. 17 by 11 first write minus 17 by 11 minus. Question is minus subtraction. Start the bracket. Given the number is minus 8 by 44. Minus 17 by 11 minus into minus plus 8 by 44. 11th table to come in 44. 11 4s are 44. Otherwise then easy method is 1 here divide the number. Fourth table use and divide the number. 4 2s are 8. 11 4s are 44. So minus 11 by 17 by 11 plus 2 by 11. Now two number also same number write in one time. Minus 17 plus 2 equal to minus 15 by 11. Answer is 15 by 11 also correct. This one change into the mixed fraction. How many times possible? One time is possible. Minus 1 4 by 11. This one confused means divide the number. 111 is 11 minus 4. So minus question from have the minus symbol for first write in the minus symbol. Answer is 1. First write in 1. Remainder is what is the remainder there? 4. Next divided by number is 11. Minus 1 4 by 11 is the answer. Next evaluate 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. First step you see there 3 3s are 9. 111 is 11. Okay. 111 is 11 remaining to 2 11s are 22. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 4. Only 1 minus symbol is there. So write in minus 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Again one time see there. 9 132 into 11 by 3. First dividing in 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. First work. Second work 11th table use and strike code there. 111 is 11. 111 is 11. Remaining 2. 11 2s are 22. Next this 3 and 12 you divide. 1 3 is 3. 12 4 3s are 12. Answer is 1 1 is 1. 1 4 is 4 minus 1 by 4. Minus 7 by 27 into 24 divided by minus 35. Write it the question first. Which numbers and all can able to divide the number. 1 7 is 7. 7 5s are 35. Third table 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 1 8 is 8. 9 5s are 45. Answer is 8 by 45. First question. 6 Roman from first question see there. Minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10. First write in minus 21 by 5. This by for use the symbol is divide. Division sum for division symbol minus 7 by 10. Next work I am as it is writing minus 21 by 5 division minus into minus plus. So I am not put the symbol 7 by 10. Next step minus 21 by 5. This division change into the multiplication. Next fraction write in the reciprocal. So 7 by 10 how to the write? 10 by 7. 1 5 is 5. Pencil use and strike out. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 1 7 is 7. 3 7s are 21. So now number is what is the number? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 minus symbol write in minus symbol. So answer is minus 6. Give the neat presentation and write. Second question. Minus 3 by 13 by minus 3. Minus 3 by 13 divide by instead of use the symbol is division symbol minus 3. I am writing same very easy clearly understand. Minus 3 by 13 divide this whole number change into the rational number for minus 3 by 1. Next step, minus 3 by 13 into reciprocal, right? Division change into the multiplication. Next fraction write in the reciprocal. 3 by 1 you write in 1 by 3 minus symbol, numerator for only write. Now 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, strike out, 3 3 cancel, minus into minus plus, 1 is remaining, 1 13, 1 by 13, answer is 1 by 13. Now third sum, minus 2 by minus 6 by 15. Solution minus 2, division by, instead of use the symbol is division symbol, minus 6 by 15. Minus 2 by 1, division change into the multiplication. Next rational number write in the reciprocal, 15 by 6. 1 2 is 2, 3 2 is 6, 3 already I am written there. Next 3 and 15 strike out, 1 3 is 3, 5 3 is 15. Now number is, what is the number? 5. Minus into minus plus, 1 1 is 1, 5 by 1 equal to answer is 5 only, correct answer. Now seventh question you see there, find a plus b divided a minus b if a value, first sum, second sum, two sum is there. First sum, a value is 1 by 2, b value is 2 by 3. These two value also substitute that a and b for you want to substitute. See there, a value equal to 1 by 2, b value equal to 2 by 3. A plus b, first bracket you write, put in the bracket, equal to symbol right after, start the bracket. A value is 1 by 2, next symbol is plus, b value is 2 by 3, division symbol, division. Start the bracket, a value is 1 by 2 minus, here have the minus symbol, you write in the minus, b value is 2 by 3. Now two number also different number, take the LCM. Why you want to take the LCM? In between symbol is plus, denominator two number also different, must take the LCM. LCM easy method is cross multiplication, 2 3s are 6 first multiple. Next 1 3 is 3, 2 2s are 4, 1 3 is 3, 2 2s are 4. You want to add and write 3 plus 4 is 7 by 6, division. Here same also different, do in the cross multiplication. 1 3 is 3, 2 2s are 4, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So 4 minus 3 is, what is the answer? 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Greater number is 4. 4 nearby symbol is minus, minus 1 by 6. Next work, remove the bracket first, 7 by 6 right. Next division change into the multiplication, reciprocal right, minus 6 by 1. 6 6 cancel, 1 6 is 6, 6 6 cancel. Remaining number is, what is the number? 7, here down 1. Minus symbol is 1 symbol. So minus 7 by 1 equal to answer is minus 7. Understand this sum? Next question, a value equal to minus 3 by 5. A value equal to minus 3 by 5, b value equal to 2 by 15. The same question, a plus b, a minus b, in between division. This value you substitute here. A value is minus 3 by 5 plus b value equal to 2 by 15 divided minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 15. Different, easy method. Fifth table to come in 15. 1 3 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So here multiple by 3. Here multiple by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 115 only write enough. Minus 9, 3 3s are minus, 3 3s are 9, minus symbol plus 2 divided by 15. Here same also 15th table, this number you multiple by 3. Why 5th table to come in 15, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So here numerator and denominator multiple by 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 9, minus 2, 2 15 from you write in 115. Next step, minus 9 plus 2 equal to, what is the answer? Want do in the minus. So minus, get the answer equal to minus 7 by 15. Minus 7 by 15. Okay, division minus 11 by 15. 7 by, remove the decimal bracket, minus 7 by 15. Division change into the multiplication, 11 by 15 you write in 15 by 11. So 15 15 cancel. Remaining is, what is the number? 7 and 11. Minus into minus plus. So 7 by 11 is the answer. These sums very important, must want to do the sums. Which sum? 7th Roman letter 2 sum also. Now 8th sum. Simplify the numbers 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 divided 3 by 10 into 3 and show it is a rational number between 11 and 12. First do this work, come the number is lies between 11 and 12 also check. Now you write in the question. What is the question? 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 divided 3 by 10 into 3. First work, bracket work. See there, 1 by straight, 1 by 2 right, plus 3 by 2 and 2 by 5. Multiplication different. 5 2s are 10. Do in the cross multiplication. 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4. In between symbol is minus. Divided 3 by 10 into 3 is the whole number. You write in the rational form for 3 by 1. 1 by 2 straight 1 by 2 plus. Now 15 minus 4 is what is the answer? Minus 11 by 10 divided 3 by 10 into 3 by 1. Any work also I am not do, bracket work only I complete. One simple change 3 I am writing 3 by 1. That's all. 1 by 2 straight 1 by 2 right. Next work 11 by 10. This one is 11 plus 11 by 10 only come. 11 by 10 divided by, remove the decimal point. Remove the bracket first. 11 by 10 divided 3 by 10 into 3. Remove the bracket and write it the number. Okay. Now 1 by 2 plus 11 by 10. Next, Bodmas rules. Bracket work is over. Next, you want to do in the division. Division for here have the symbol. I change into the multiplication. Division change into the multiplication. Write here into symbol. So 3 by 10, how to the write? 10 by 3. This one only want to change. This one should not change that. 3 by 1. Now 1 by 2. 10 10 strike out. 10 10 strike out. Here 3 3 also strike out. What is the answer remaining? 11 by 1 only answer. So 1 by 2 plus 11 by 1. Now 2 number also different number, do in the cross multiplication. 1 1 is 1, 11 2 is 22, 1 2 is 2. So 23 divided by 2, answer is 23 divided by 2. See 1 minute. First bracket work, do in the cross multiplication, get it, the answer is 11 by 10. Next step, remove the bracket and write. Next step, division change into the multiplication. One number only changes, should not change in the next number. 10 10 cancel, 3 3 answer also cancel. 1 by 2 not do that. Here into work only there finish first. 11 by 1. Now plus symbol for, you take the LCM for, do in the cross multiplication, get it, the answer is 23 divided by 2. This number is lies between 11 and 12 only asking, no. So 23 by 2 is come the answer. Divide the number. 23 divided by 2 equal to what is the quotient? 11. So 11 and 12 definitely in between have these rational numbers. 23 by 2 is lies between 11 and 12. See there, 11 and 12 in between only there have the number. So understand the sum or not? Okay. 9th question ma. 11 by 8. 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 divided 9 by 20 minus of 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. So this one simplify for, want to do in reduce the sum first. Whatever first bracket inside there have possible or not check. See the first step, 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33. 1 11 is 11, 3 11s are 33. First work. Next 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Next 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Numerator for what is the number? 1 only balance. 1 you write it down 4. Minus 1 minus only there have, you write in minus 1 by 4. First bracket work is completed. Second one, 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 divided 9 by 20. So division change into the multiplication. So 20 by 9. 1 5 is 5, 4 5s are 20. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Still I am not touching 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus, come the answer is, what is the answer? 4 by 3. minus here 7 7 strike out, remaining number is 4 by 5, minus 1 minus, so minus 4 by 5, minus into minus plus 4 by 5. Now minus 1 by 4 plus 2 number also same number. See here 2 number also same number. 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. So 1 3 write in down. 1 plus 4 5 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Remove the bracket. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus 4 by 5. 3 number also different number, must take the LCM. So 4 by 3. 4 3 5 for LCM is what is the answer? 20. 4 3 5 and LCM is 60. So LCM of 4 comma 3 comma 5 is what is the answer? 60 minus 1 by 4. So 4 to which number you multiply and get the answer is 60? 15. So 4 into 15, numerator also into 15, plus 5 by 3 20 divide, multiple the number, plus 4 by 5 12 multiple there. 115 is 15, 4 15s are 16, 60. 5 20s are 100, 3 20s are 60, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60. Now all the number is same number, write in one time. Minus 15 plus 100 plus 48. 100 plus 48 equal to 148. Next one number is minus 15. Divide and get the answer is 133 divided by 60. Answer is 133 divided by 60 only answer. 9th Roman letter, second question. 4 by 9th Roman letter, second question. 4 by 3 divided 8 by minus 7, minus of 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into minus 1 by 4. Write it the same question. I am not do anyone also, same question writing. Next, what is possible? You strike out the number. First, here 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancel. Answer is what is the answer? 1 by 1. Easy work, first work. Second one also 4 4 cancel. Remaining is what is that 1? Minus 1 is numerator, down for 3. So minus 1 by 3. Here first one 4 by 3. Division change into the multiplication. 8 by 7, how do they write? 7 by 8. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. 1 7 is 7, 3 2s are 6. Minus 7 by 6. Minus of. Here all the one cancel for what is the answer? 1 by 1. Here minus 1 by 3. Now plus into minus, minus 1 by 3. Minus 7 by 6. Minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 by 3. 6, 1, 3. 3 also different. Take the LCM. LCM is what is the answer? 6 only answer. So 7 by 6, 7 by 6 only there come. Minus 1 by 1 into which number multiple by 1? You get the answer is 6. 6. So 6 by 6 minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. 7 by 6 minus 6 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Now all the number is same number. Minus 7 minus 6 minus 2 divided by 6. All the number is what symbol? Minus. Put in the same like sign minus. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 2 15. 15 by 6. Now 15 by 6 is possible in third table. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Answer is minus 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 improper fraction change into the mixed fraction for 2 to divide. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Quotient is minus 2. Minus 2 first write. Remainder is 1. Divided number is 2. So minus 2, 1 by 2 only answer. 10th question. A student had multiplied by a number by 4 by 3. A student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3 instead of dividing by 4 by 3 and got 70 more than the correct answer. So find the number. So had multiple. See the question. Had multiple. Multiple for use the symbol is into. A number. Which number? Don't know. So you take in x by 4 by 3. So first step x into 4 by 3, x into 4 by 3, x into 4 by 3. Next, dividing it meaning is a number is x, divided for use the symbol is divide. So now x divided 4 by 3, in between is minus symbol. Why there? More than they are given, so write in plus symbol. Why I am not writing plus symbol? More than, after they are getting more than the correct answer, more than you write in here minus symbol only. So minus only get the answer. Which number more answer for you want to put in the minus symbol is equal to 70. X into 4 by 3 minus x divided, change into multiple, 4 by 3 write in 3 by 4. Here must use in the minus symbol only, should not use in the plus symbol. Here more than word have more than for using in plus symbol only. Why here I am writing minus symbol? So instead of dividing for which number divide, so minus more they given, so reduce for you want to minus symbol, must want to use that. X into 4 by 3 minus x into 3 by 4 equal to 70. Now two number for, so here x, here x, these two x also close. What is the remaining number? 4 by 3 minus symbol 3 by 4. See there 4 by 3 first, next minus symbol, next 3 by 4. I am taking in the 2x from 1x in outside. X of 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 70. X, take the LCM, cross multiplication. 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 16 minus 9 is 7 by 12 equal to 70. Here x, this bracket meaning is, what is the meaning? Into. So x into 7 by 12 equal to 70. Now into change into division. X equal to 70 divided 7 by 12. 70 by 1, division change into the multiplication, 12 by 7. 1 7 is 7, 10 7s are 70. 10 into 12 equal to 120. Now x value equal to 120. 120 you substitute here, get the answer equal to 70. Definitely come the answer. Now 1.1 exercise sum is over. Okay, now third sum, fourth sum, fifth sum, sixth sum I give the homework. This all the one I teach in the video. So must watch the video and write it the answer. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This 4 Roman letter. Remaining I give the PDF. You do the sums.